yen hwe ade bi kakra about this particular game in the shape of Chelsea any a team your friend no Arsenal Enra the course between the two of them. Now we have these two teams with the level of match and then the level of consistency here will definitely bear witness as to how we want them to actually win their games and make sure somebody dominant force either say Chelsea Edibe room into the top 10 and I say Arsenal Edibe room and somebody beji the league. Now Abu Dhabi the biggest issue Chelsea supporters ni nyina bu afu or more complaining about can send bebre edifa woni nyina akwa kogina hawa omuji tumi se omo midfielders no aso mo nse na mbobo papa bia fa mo omo ni se ba bia ngolo Kante ni nam no ne mo ne kofom kakra. The biggest complaint omo ye nyina na se ngolo Kante ni form abafom. Another complaint omo ye kire nyina ma wiase afa na nyina ate ne se ase Enzo Fernandez no mo hu ni ye komo expect sanka they will bring the best out of Enzo Fernandez abraga hamporta bai any abra coach Frank Lampard so anya more than as wenya chance so no so ababe rem but enra already in terms of goals Chelsea consider any nyina you definitely understand say the midfield no mugina FIFA na so nkofom komiensa no mugina FIFA obo more than the match Chelsea no at the end of the day no in terms of tracking back na Abu Dhabi akwakoye bibi ho and how one cover spaces no it became another huge issue for this particular Chelsea team especially with Kwaya omofa so omo concede even with the first goal and this is how the first goal even came about. And Abu Dhabi on our screens you expect say obi betimi pressure ya brand your friend Martin Odegaard and also be closer to Martin Odegaard said the ball no ontimi enshuti whenever there is a cutback for Chelsea or into the Chelsea penalty box only say midfielders no omo ye late and I said they are not doing proper marking as to this particular procedure also mutimi here then Panyai Martin Odegaard play ball na not the ball na kwa to net and complaining na kwa kojina say ada na Chelsea midfielders no omo den ada ntina Ngolo Kante onyere ne hombo ada ntina Mateo Kovacic onyere ne hombo all of these players ni nyina no these are the complaints omo make but Abu Dhabi wa woni Ngolo Kante pa no Ngolo Kante thrive so well when it comes to a double pivot not necessarily in a three-man midfield. It's way how a World Cup no almost setting up even in 2018 for the French national team. Okay. In Ngolo Kante, anyone a double pivot no on a Pogba. It's a player or thrive in a double pivot, not necessarily in a three-man midfield. You fancy a trim. In Ngolo Kante, thrive more in a double pivot, not in a three-man midfield. But we understand Porter time of injury by na. Obe make it also about Enzo as the number 6. No about Mateo Kovacic. Then not the Ngolo Kante so have a peso on chain. O check Frank Lampard, Edian, on also support the same thing. Not the Ngolo Kante about the right side of the central midfield. But her Thomas to show a three-back system and all. Nipa no more about the double pivot to the name Ngolo Kante and Jorginho. And on the double pivot at the Chelsea. So Kovacic, Bebo Krana, Kovacic, Ebo as an advanced playmaker in the shape of a number 10. No, not joining, and as a double number 10s or no any Messi mount, then playing in behind Kahavet to make sure to make creative chances no matter media share. It's a way how France no more set up as a proof. This is how Leicester City in 2015-2016 almost set it up. Can't one and another.
Then you drink water.
And you double pivot.
Yes.
So N'Golo Kante always tries in that particular role, and you get the best out of N'Golo Kante by playing him in a double pivot or utility player. Ubetima izuni baby but upeso nya so be track back. Obi obetima ba be say nyoma or be destroy at some point in time. Obi retrieve balls. As I the ball as I initiate now, you need him in a double pivot. And I'm say Enzo Fernandez issue. Omo can say me about Enzo Fernandez and in nyoma was all but Abu Dhabi. Enzo Fernandez money bobo nyina ni gina brand bi so friend Florentino Luis. Ah no e Benfica, ono so as double pivot. One here World Cup ni bibia no wadwe say Enzo Fernandez ball as a single pivot. Ko ne ko hwe ni the role of Rodrigo de Paul in a particular double pivot. Abra McAllister ebebo as an advanced midfielder supporting Lionel Messi and Julian Alvarez. Say they bring the results. So these are two players that are being used in a way be a meji 2 years say e kan wo bi na Chelsea for no omo fifi on say no mo need the right balance omo brebrebrea un say Odegaard far boy ball cut back apanya na board net yes ya it omo fifi on problems na supporters ni su ensu nyina no it is about the right role, it is about the right system, and it's about putting these players at where you can get the best out of them. Me meji 2 years say so N'Golo Kante any Enzo Fernandez in the 4-2-3-1 omo mi edu be ya adwuma pa ba okobo with the 4-3-3 na. In EPL, how many teams survive with a sole defensive midfielder in the shape of Enzo Fernandez?
Obebre.
In the EPL, how many midfielders? Obebre, papa. And EPL, Nankasandro na type a double pivot. even Guardiola no pe possessive football no akura hunu say no but trainer just on the don stones that be coward you because one when here they'll get the best out of you and umutimi taneshu image nyina as a coach say system na obo no enkoye enfama it that is where I find this particular Chelsea midfield issue dealing with them. Abu Dhabi quickly yenwram na no ye ho no man yenya say EPL Hall of Fame 2023.
I mean, I no bear 2 minutes. Yes,
nominees na ba be pim na me see a debate wa ha say sa. But the biggest question comes in as to criteria ben ye dey. And now no pay ya referred na the opportunity am here induct no. But Abu, to help your listeners, for them to also understand say yentina hanom embo etrim anase yentina hanom emfa ya dwen enka bibia fam be shem in terms of how and your city in terms of EPL Hall of Fame na ebe me yakaka yenhwa de bi kakra bi wa ha say na Abu Dhabi the criteria na omode ye adwuma ni nie say Abu Dhabi we a player also wunya an exceptional record of on-pitch success
omon fast screening nyina ma me na me nya nie omon fa
it eligibility requirement ni nie
oh okay
no ameka say ebia Ferdinand ye den na John Terry ye den na de no koye ye na de no na akoye chinye bebre oti ase a obeti ase de enti players bi shem or say players who have an exceptional record of on-pitch success in Trinidad a esronko abra na usi akan no bi de ba de pa na wo ye abra usi akan na dam sronko
they no more summarize bibia de abase
e de abase ya no iti wabo more than 200 Premier League games for one club selected into any team of the decade or 20th anniversary teams on say o ma etimi team of the decade bi no aba be shemu bi one Premier League golden boot or golden glove been voted as Premier League player of the season, won 3 Premier League titles, then scored 100 Premier League goals or goalkeepers who have recorded 100 Premier League clean sheets. Abu, they shall say in 2021. But the money them Sunkoni said, wow, or retire before 2021, be eligible. Yeah. Wow, one retire, wow, why was after 2021, I'll be retired, we are not part of it. And on my before 2021, I'm retire and Kwano, and you do count. It is 2021 no pair or more criteria no. Ubon say in 2021 no we players 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 players in Abu Dhabi. Then we see when Rooney side only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 players in 2021. It's Alan Shearer out checking the record now. Every single criteria be a Wahabi and Abu Dhabi. Efa.
The Roy Ferdinand the NFA.
Abu, Roy Ferdinand the Nyoma why ye wo EPL ni the record ni Premier League titles awaje. You can never take Roy Ferdinand out. And Obi Beka say bia ya sheda na say etianom ne yeka say Roy Ferdinand in deserving a person by force. Ya di Roy Ferdinand e di ni shem den ba entesa. Abu Dhabi this is Roy Ferdinand. Wada hanum say na hwe Premier League team of the year ni decade ni ono ankasa na records awaya. EPL no nko awaje 1 2 3 4 5 6. Abu e qualify even in the EPL title. Individually ankasa no Western player of the PFL League team of the year, Premier League player of the month, 5th Pro World 11, ubenya with Ferdinand wo Abu Dhabi, fantasy teams of 20 seasons, English Football Hall of Fame. Ye inducted ba 2016 ba wonya akonya ngba me ba Abu Dhabi. This is Roy Ferdinand meji 2 year pass pe ono ankasa ne track records, titles awaji on Manchester United. The level of football abono, he deserves to be in this particular list of the Hall of Fame.
Mate, merase pa komia ma yenyena.